Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to get some best working coupon code for Deliveroo, then this video is for you. So first one is Glamour. So glamourmagazine.co.uk will provide you some discount codes for Deliveroo. So you can follow this URL to get to the Deliveroo promo codes page where you can find lots of promo code. From here you can see there is 15 promo codes are active right now. So you can find the discount link or the coupon code or some discount offers from here. So you can simply do is you can find the expiry date. Also make sure that you have just redeemed it before this expiration. So you can also find the details of the offers that are actually embedded with this code from here or the link. So here you can see show discount, so it will lead you directly to the website. Here it is. So with this link that are actually embedded, you can find that 20 euro minimum order value. So you can find the 50% off in 20 euro minimum order value and applies to new and existing customers. So you can go with this condition and make sure that you fulfill the condition and you can get the deals from here. Now if you want to get the coupon code, then you can simply click on get coupon, and which on has this button get coupon, then it will provide you the coupon code. Here it is, and also redirect you to the Deliveroo web page where you can actually redeem this coupon code. So also this button will help you to go to the shop, and here is the copy button that will help you to copy this coupon code. Now the next one is coupon follow. So couponfollow.com/deliveroo.co.uk will give you this real URL, this page, where you can also find some most updated and working coupon codes for the Deliveroo. So from here you can see it is last users time here, so that will show you the legitimacy of this coupon code here. So this is the same coupon code that I have already said. See, so these websites actually collect the promo code and coupon code from the most updated any type of like occasion or their pages, like Facebook pages, Instagram pages, or Twitter account. They have posted any promotional code, they will list it in their pages here to help you to find all the coupon codes and promo codes in one page. But sometimes that coupon codes and promo codes might be expired or it reached to its limited uses. So you should try one by one from all of this page, see which one works for you. Now here is the coupon code. You can find the copy button. This will allow you to copy this coupon code and redeem at the Deliveroo. This will lead you to the Deliveroo web page. Also it will automatically give you the Deliveroo web page where you can use this coupon code, and here is the feedback section where you can give the feedback about the coupon code. Now the third one is my voucher code, where you can find all of your vouchers from here and the details about the coupon code, and here is the expiry date also. So you can find the terms and conditions regarding to this code from here. Now you can simply do is you can find the details that 6 live codes are available right now, and the top offer here and the last update. Here is so if it's most updated according to your time zone, then you can simply go with this and try one by one and see which one works for you. Now simply click on get code, and here it will pop up a section where you can find the codes from here. You can find the copy button that will help you to copy this code, and it will also redirect you to the Deliveroo web page, or you can simply click on go to Deliveroo site. Then you can use this coupon code for getting these exciting deals and discounts. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.